Welcome back. I haven't been doing very many videos in the past couple weeks, but I did get a new toy I wanted to show everybody. This is the Flir 1 Pro thermo imager, and this is the box that it comes in. Just want to show everybody what comes with it, and also do a real quick sample of what it looks like. This is for the USB-C model for Android. The outer cover is the real box. Magnetic clip. There it is. This is the Flir 1 Pro. And this over here extends the little USB-C attachment in the event that you have your phone in a protected box or something. And as with all new cell phone and gadgets, it comes with the USB-C connectors and a little handy dandy box. Protected. And that's it. Now I wanted to show you real quick what it looks like. I've gone ahead and downloaded and installed the app on my phone. So this is what you're going to see. When you turn it on, it's going to ask you to put in the Flir 1. And I've already charged it up. So at the bottom here, you this button to turn it on. And then I like to face it away from me, like a regular camera. Stab it in. And the screen comes up to acknowledge the connection. And voila! There. Now, halfway through the recording of this video, the microphone started acting up. I don't know if it was creating interferences or what. But here you see the Flir 1 working. Trying to focus on the mat in front of me. As you can see, still trying to focus. And I want to apologize in advance for the focal length issue. I didn't have enough kind of lateral clearance to get a real good focus. But here what I'm doing is I'm focusing on the mat, and I'm putting my hand over the mat. And just to show you how sensitive this machine is, it's showing the kind of latent heat that I've left behind from many seconds ago. And as you can see on here, it stays a while, so it's extremely sensitive. And I have used this on the electrical lines to look at my breaker box, and it could tell which circuit was drawing power, and so I've been very impressed with its performance thus far. So if you are looking to getting one, I highly recommend it. It's a fun toy, neat toy, and it was about $350. I got it on sale on this online vendor from Pennsylvania. I think it was called, well, regardless, I'll put it in the comment section. Anyway, it's a neat tool. I hope this helps you if you're on the fence about getting it. And leave me a comment or questions or concerns. All right, thank you.